Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming a Mother's Day edition kind of video. So this is my mom Tammy and you guys know my sister Courtney. Today we're doing a Who Knows Mom Better. I thought this would be cute for like a nice Mother's Day. I know it's like after Mother's Day when you're seeing this, but I thought it'd be cute. Little, like,
I'll link it up above in my video.
I'm sorry.
A mother always wants her child to succeed. And this one's just pathetic. She wants so much sympathy because I want her to succeed just as much as everybody else, but she thinks she needs to more.
Don't be pathetic.
Yes.
On YouTube. Okay. So we're just gonna go for it.
Okay. What year did I graduate?
When is your birthday would have been easy.
You know my birthday.
I need to do some math.
So do I. That doesn't seem right to me. Something doesn't seem right to me.
I don't know how you subtract. Okay, that's a game
Born in
changer.
1948. Oh, I got
Not even close, Courtney. We discussed this the other day.
How do you subtract 20 or 52 from 2020?
Why are you? That's gonna give you her birth year.
Yeah, and then I will add 18 to that.
17. I was 17 when I graduated.
I just don't know how to subtract. I'm just so confused right now. What is 1997?
What is the matter with you?
Okay. I gotta try again. Wait,
I'm just guessing.
No, it's gotta be closer to what Paige had. It's closer to Paige's, but you're both way wrong.
Nah, excuse my math. It's 1980.
I'm 1974.
Okay, now I'm 52.
Yeah, you told me yesterday you were born in 1969.
7.
Okay, that's what I had, and I added 17 years to that. You were 17 years old when you were born.
No,
That
baby,
gave me-
you added wrong. You start here, you go 14 plus 1.
I did.
6,
Oh,
7,
it should
8.
be 84. I did my math wrong.
I was gonna say, yeah.
That I should have gotten that right.
That's not right either because I graduated in 85.
Anyhow, moving on. No one has any points.
How many siblings do each of my parents have?
I don't know.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Papa has 3?
I don't know.
2? Okay, I have 1 brother for each of them.
Oh,
They
I meant
each
I
have
was
one
counting
brother.
Graham. I was counting Graham in the math.
So
2 siblings from Nana, or 2 children from Nana, 3 from
this is
Grandma.
what's wrong with her. She doesn't know how to think like a normal person.
There's only 2 on each.
Oh.
They each only have 1 sibling and they're both
Point for
boys.
Paige. Okay, next question.
How old was I when I had my first child?
Wait, I don't remember. Wait, let me make it dark so they can see.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I couldn't see this. I can't see the back through your papers.
Oh, we'll
though.
say it as we
Oh
go.
yeah, 30.
Not to them, to mom.
Growing up, what did I want to be? Not
Oh, I
But
know
not
what
now.
you went to Votech for.
no.
I know.
Like as when I was a child, what did I want to be growing up?
Okay, I don't know that mine is right.
I know mine's right.
I'm gonna say you're both wrong, but go ahead.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, I put
teacher.
a fashion lady.
You want to be a teacher.
I wanted to be a baby nurse whenever I was growing up.
You want to be a teacher.
I
Okay,
did.
I told mom I wanted to be a teacher, and she was like, I wanted to be a teacher. Now I'm gonna be a baby nurse, and she's like, I wanted to be a baby nurse.
I thought she
and you thought I didn't love you. I just want to be just like you. If no one has any points, Court, you are closer. What is my favorite type of food? Not my favorite food, type of food.
Oh, easy.
Here we go. Italian,
Italian.
Yeah, both get point.
What's yours say down below?
pizza, spaghetti, etc. But I did the etc. wrong too.
What was my favorite subject in high school?
I'm just trying to think.
I'm just gonna go on a limb here. Oh,
You're trying to cheat.
No. Yeah, I'm giving you vibes, Court. You should know this, really.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
English
I
slash
put
language.
reading.
Home ec.
Oh. Wow, this is. Maybe we shouldn't do this video because apparently we don't know our mom very well.
What is my mom's maiden name?
1, 2, 3.
Willard.
Yeah.
How did you spell it?
Okay, got a point. What are you at? 3. We should be tied. No, we should have 4.
Yeah.
What was my favorite thing about my childhood? And you'll just know me so much better. The girl that I grew up with.
Your neighbor.
3, 2, 1. Riding bikes.
I put neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
How was your
4
favorite
childhood
childhood
memory.
What is my favorite flavor ice cream?
Okay, you don't need ice cream. It gives you stomach ache.
It
No.
does. It does, but what would it be if I ate it? I do have
Is
a
it
favorite.
an actual ice cream?
I won't pick orange sherbet because that is my favorite, but a flavor of ice cream.
Raspberry gelato?
Vanilla?
Vanilla.
You love raspberry gelato. That's what stuff you used to buy us.
It is. That's not ice cream.
That is ice cream.
Vanilla is my favorite ice cream. If I ever go anywhere, I get vanilla ice cream.
But I thought gelato was ice cream.
It's.
No. No, it doesn't matter. You're wrong.
I love you. It's my favorite kind of cake.
Oh, I know this one. Wait, do we have the same one? Is it?
Wait, same flavor or like kind of cake? Like,
Yeah.
like
you
you
need
like
to specify
regular cake, or
apparently.
you have like
Or like
flavor,
what you would
or
buy
like
at the
Flavor
store.
cake.
Flavor
not
cake.
cheesecake.
2, 3.
Red velvet?
I put Red Devil because it's like
Yeah.
that's cool.
Are they the same?
Red chocolate, yes. What is my favorite? What is my favorite cereal? Courtney looks like she's in pain.
You don't eat cereal. I'm confused. Is it the same as mine?
No.
Okay.
Go.
Frosted
Loops.
Flakes. I knew that.
What are 3 places I have visited that I would love to go to again? 3.
Are they all in America?
No.
No.
Are they all out of America?
No.
No.
I've only been to one place
I've
in
only
America.
been to Mexico outside of America, you goof.
Have you ever been to Colorado? Would you want to go
Okay, I
back?
have 2 places.
Playa del Carmen, Las Vegas, and Florida.
Yeah.
What?
Playa del
Vegas,
Carmen.
Mexico, Florida.
Not Vegas, Texas.
Ah! So do we each get 2? So we'll get 2 then?
Sure. What is my favorite season?
Wait, but I don't know if it's one of these 2. Wait, it's one of these 3. I know it's not winter.
It's not winter. It is definitely not winter. I'll give you a hint.
3, 2, 1. Spring.
Fall.
I was gonna put fall, but then I was like,
You
no,
literally
she doesn't
hate
like
the
the cold.
It's warm in fall usually.
It's not warm in fall.
And
Not
I
in
like-
Pennsylvania
I like
anyway. I don't know where
fires.
she
I
is
like
experiencing fall.
Fires in the evening. So
You haven't gone to a campfire in 9 years, except for
haven't
this
come to my
year's
house.
when Paige had one.
Have you ever had any broken bones?
Do fingers count?
2, 1. No.
I think yes. I don't know.
She's never had a broken bone.
I didn't think so. I was like, maybe.
She always took pride that none of her kids ever broke a bone and that
I've
she
broken
never broke a
fingers.
bone.
Who's my favorite band?
Don't look, cheater. Casting Crowns.
Oh, I put King Country.
Casting Crowns.
Because she went to a concert with me.
No, that's not why. I've been to see them several times. But
All with Paige.
what's my dream car?
Have you owned it before? Did you? Bro, I don't know. I guess I'll rate my dream car.
We all have the same dream car. All 3 of us.
3, 2, 1. A Jeep Wrangler?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow, we do all 3 have the same dream car.
Favorite
How
animal?
did you get 10 points? I was beating you.
No, your dog does not count.
Okay.
And it's not, and I don't feel about all dogs as I feel about your dog.
That's what I was asking. That's what I was trying to get.
Yes.
Okay, okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Giraffe?
A horse.
a horse. What does it matter with you? What? You knew the answer to that.
I don't know.
Do I have any magazine subscriptions?
I get our mail.
Simple Living.
No.
Isn't that what it's called? That one that we have the
I
same
don't
one.
have one anymore.
Oh, and that Cooks one. You also had that Craft.
Craft, Food, and Family.
So neither of us got a point. As soon as I did it, I knew that it was Craft because I have it too.
How much did I make an hour at my first job?
Your first ever job?
Where was your first job at?
Banana. It was a restaurant. It was a steakhouse, like kind of like a Hautedaisy.
Are we doing like?
85.
Are we
What
doing
was
like
the
a right on
minimum
guess?
wage?
Or are we doing like
Who was the closest?
who's the closest?
Okay, whoever's closest.
325.
547.
335.
Oh.
What is my favorite comfort food or meal?
There's something that goes with it.
I have no idea. I'm just guessing.
Oh, is it maybe Taylor's favorite meal though?
No, Taylor's is
Ham loaf.
thingies.
No, it's not Taylor's.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Roast and potatoes.
I put potatoes, dumplings, and sauerkraut.
That you just said that's pork and sauerkraut. So am I right?
That'd be Paige's.
Is
So that's
roast and
Paige's.
pork the same thing?
There's pork roast and there's beef roast. Beef roast is what I like.
What's the other side that goes with it?
Noodles.
Yes! So I got that one.
How many houses did I live in before I got married?
Did you live with Dad before you were married?
No.
Okay. So you went straight from your parents' house.
Really, that's strange. Did you move in the day after your wedding?
Yeah, we moved the stuff in, but I didn't stay there. I still stayed at my mom and dad's house.
How romantic. Okay. 2.
Oh, I put 2 too.
3. Favorite fruit?
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Watermelon.
It is watermelon.
Do I like good news first or bad news first if I'm getting both?
3, 2, 1, go.
Bad news.
Okay.
Sunrise or sunset?
3, 2, 1.
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Even though she's never awake for it.
Actually, no, she probably is. She goes to sleep right after the sun starts to rise.
Yeah. It's just the video.
Favorite veggie?
3, 2, 1. Green beans.
Cauliflower.
Oh. I don't know.
Guess I didn't cheat.
Do I prefer watching people or listening to them?
Watching?
Yeah.
Favorite game?
Okay.
It wasn't quite as fun as I thought it would
3,
be.
2, 1. Categories.
Uno attack.
Uno attack. I do like scattergories.
You should have written
too,
the
though.
answers down in there because I think you just made that up.
If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below.
Favorite perfume?
Oh. Easy.
Oh, I could not remember what it was called.
Considering she has 9 bottles sitting in her cabinet right now.
Yeah, because she would make trips an hour away just to find this and yell at the people when they didn't have it in store.
I never yelled at the people because it's true. You know where that's all. I'm not even going to go there, but yeah, Surf is it. Anyhow, from American Eagle.
Oh my gosh.
What is one thing that I used to do that I still wish I did or we did?
3, 2, 1.
Pray before dinner.
Read.
Or go on walks.
Oh, I put how we.
Those are both really, really good. Camping. What brings me joy?
Oops, I'm dyslexic. When did you add that second point on there? I don't think that's right.
Me! Just kidding. Jesus, God, Bible,
I put
church.
silence, praying, her kids.
Me! So I got that right.
Technically, it would be right.
No.
But you have to add the other two, too.
Yeah, that
It's not just you.
Huh? Okay, but yeah, so we both got a point.
Yeah.
Me, that was funny. I thought you were actually gonna say Jesus.
He's my life. That's my life. What would I do with $1 million?
I have her whole life planned for her $1 million. I can't read on mine, you read yours.
I put pay for my school and then donate some to our adopted brother.
I put pay off all of her debt, donate to the church, shop a little bit, pay off her kids' debt, build a house, and buy a Jeep Wrangler. She's blind without her glasses.
Who's your adopted brother?
John Muir!
Here.
He's not an adopted brother.
Yes, he is. Mom adopted him.
Mom didn't adopt him, Mom sponsors him. John Muir!
Why are you saying his name and you're still like...
Because I'm thinking like John Mayer is what he was going. Come on, give John Mayer any money.
John Muir. She has a sponsor child.
John Muir, yes. John Muir Dela
What's your
Cruz.
answer?
I would give it away.
You would
So
do
you
a
would
little
give
bit
it
of
to
all
John
of this.
Muir?
No.
So no point.
Do I prefer the pool or the beach?
Beach?
What is something on my bucket list? You do know this when I say it.
Your bucket list?
The one thing that I want to do.
Hey,
Okay.
go to a Sandals Beach Resort.
That would
I'd
be
go to
nice, but I've
Mexico
been to Mexico, so it's probably comparable.
I didn't know where it
Sandals.
was. I thought it was in Hawaii.
There's sandals they have sandals everywhere, and they're mainly in the Caribbean. They aren't in Hawaii. Go to Israel.
I knew that!
We just talked about that today.
I knew that.
See, I knew you guys knew that.
Oh!
I want to try.
What is something that makes me feel better when I'm sad?
Me.
I put kids and praying.
Hey, actually I put me, JK, praying.
Okay, you gotta stop doing that. You
kids.
pick one.
You did it too! I put and. You put LOL JK, which means not you.
Kids. And praying, because I pray all the time. So, I mean, like, if you guys aren't around, I mean, because, like, I'll pray no matter what. But if you guys
Right, but it
aren't
makes you
around,
feel better.
if you show up, it makes me feel better. How did I spend my family vacations when I was younger?
Go to Nana's in Florida.
I put go to Florida on the beach.
No, I only went, when I was growing up, I only went to Disney World once.
What?
We went to Nag's Head to the beach every year. What is my favorite color to wear?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Peach.
I put like pink. I was gonna put like a pastel pink.
What was my favorite food that I hated as a child, but I eat now? No, just a food. I didn't like it when I was younger, but I like it now.
1, 2, 3.
Onions and
Mushrooms.
tomatoes.
Mushrooms. Yeah. Loves me the most. Jesus.
Jesus loves me this I
Me.
I thought you were gonna put Courtney too.
What?
Me?
No, I love her the most. We should both put Taylor.
Lux loves me more than anybody.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment down below if you have any more questions or if you have any requests. Don't forget to turn on that little bell to be notified every time we upload. And happy Mother's Day. Bye.